Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can hide or unhide the taskbar of your Windows. So if you unhide the taskbar, then if you will hide the taskbar, you will have a lot of space on your desktop. If you want to also unhide it, then you can simply do that. So let's go quick into the process. Now we have to click on the Windows key on our keyboard and then click on the settings icon. Now you have to click on personalization, that's under network and internet. You have to scroll down and you will find taskbar behavior system pins. Click on that. Then you will find taskbar behaviors, taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Click on that. And here you have this option, automatically hide the taskbar. So if you're going to check that, and there you go, taskbar has been hidden on your Windows. So you cannot see the taskbar. And now you have like a wide space for your desktop. And that's just how you can easily hide the taskbar of your Windows. However, if you want to simply enable it or simply unhide it, then you need to go back clicking on the Windows key on your keyboard. Click on settings. Now here we need to look for personalization again. We need to scroll down and click on taskbar, this one. So as you can see, if you are also going to click right here at the taskbar position, you will have the taskbar, but that will just be temporarily. So how we can unhide it permanently, then we need to go back to click on taskbar behaviors and uncheck this box, automatically hide the taskbar. And if you're going to close the settings window, there you go, we have just unhide the taskbar of our window. So that's it. That's how you can easily hide or unhide taskbar of your window. So I hope this helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.